Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming your Windows 11 version and the exact Bluetooth adapter model so updates match hardware. Once done, create a system restore point and disable VPN. This prevents conflicts and lets you roll back. Next, open Device Manager and expand Bluetooth to identify the adapter name. Right-click to view properties and driver details. Make sure you have an alternate network connection or USB copy of the driver. This avoids interruption during installation. You now perform the actual update. First, try Device Manager's Update Driver and choose Search automatically so Windows fetches a compatible package. This is fastest. If you downloaded an OEM package, right-click the installer and run as administrator. Follow prompts and accept driver signing if it's legitimate. For manual installs, extract the package, pick Browse My Computer for drivers, then let me pick from a list and select the INF. This ensures the exact driver replaces the old one. Finish by rebooting and confirming the Bluetooth service runs and your devices pair reliably. Test audio or data transfer. If connectivity fails or errors appear, roll back the driver in Device Manager or restore your system point you created earlier. This reverses problematic changes. Make sure chipset and Windows updates are current, and check Event Viewer for driver errors. These logs point to conflicts. If necessary, download a different OEM driver revision. Install it, and then retest pairing and performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.